Welcome to Ulva Island.
This place is a bird and birder's paradise. A predator-free sanctuary right at the bottom of New Zealand. No rats, no stoats, no possums. Let's see what birds we can find. We've literally been on Ulva for, 10, 15 minutes. And there are already so many cool birds. Just the bird song trickling through this amazing forest. Kaka, tomtit, and a beautiful South Island robin. Those little robins are so cute, they get right up in your business. Yes, we've got a saddleback. That little guy is a weka, and weka's gonna wek.